Welcome to deploy a Next.js app to Vercel, an autism-friendly deployment tutorial. In this video, we'll take a plain Next.js starter and put it live on the internet. No rushing, no jargon, just calm, step-by-step guidance. We'll do this in 4 steps. First, create the app, then push it to GitHub, import it into Vercel, and finally deploy the project. By the end, you'll have your own Next.js app online and ready to share. When you've completed the tutorial, you'll see this, the default Next.js page deployed on Vercel, live on a public URL. This is exactly what we'll achieve together. Before we dive in, here are the steps we are going to follow to deploy this app. Step 1, we'll create a new Next.js app. Step 2, we'll push the code to GitHub. Step 3, we'll import the repo into Vercel. And Step 4, we'll confirm the build settings and click deploy. With that roadmap in mind, let's begin with Step 1. Step 1. Create the app. In a terminal, run npx space create-next-app space my-app. This will scaffold out the project and automatically initialize a Git repository for you. When it finishes, enter the project folder with cd space my-app. And here's our first win. The Next.js app was created successfully, and the project folder is ready to use. Step 2. Push the project to GitHub. First, connect it with git space remote space add space origin space and then the URL of the repository. Then push with git space push space -u space origin space main. That's all you need. You may notice in my terminal I also ran git space branch -m main. That command isn't necessary here. GitHub includes it in their example instructions to handle older projects that still use master as the default branch. Since create-next-app already creates a main branch, you can skip it. And here's our second win. The project is now in GitHub, ready to connect with Vercel. This is the bridge that makes deployment possible. Step 3. Import the repo into Vercel. If you haven't already, click the GitHub login link under Import Git Repository to sign in. When prompted, add the Vercel app so it can access your repositories. Once connected, you'll see your repos listed here. Find the one you just created and click Import. Step 4. Deploy the project. Vercel auto-detected this as a Next.js app and filled in the build settings. Leave the build command as next space build. For the output directory, make sure the toggle is on and it should be set to .next. That's the standard for Next.js. With these settings in place, click Deploy. Vercel will begin building your project and preparing it for the web. And here's the final win. The build completed successfully, a production URL was created, and your app is now live on the internet. To recap, we created a new Next.js app, pushed it to GitHub, imported into Vercel, and deployed the project. 4 simple steps from a fresh project to a live website. If this kind of direct autism-friendly tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together.